Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today's Wednesday, February 12th, 2025. The week has been started off pretty slow so far. We're in Wednesday, and I think it's been break even. Monday, no trades. Tuesday, 3 trades, but finished the day break even. So it's been a little boring this week. Not much in the terms of green or in profit, but hopefully we just keep trading the same and the green days start to stack up on themselves. Today's trading day is looking a little crazy because news came out at 5:30 this morning, Pacific Standard Time. CPI news came out, and I think how many points was that move? 852, 300-point move. So that was a little crazy. So my levels are all out of whack right now. There's only the high of that news candle and the bottom of it. So we'll see what happens. I'll look for 50% retracements if we have any, since we created new session lows and highs, but my hourly levels and my hourly pivots are all out of whack. There's no Asia, there's no London. They all got swept. So I'll keep you guys posted. We'll see what we could come up with, and hopefully we can start stacking up some green days, and hopefully get these payouts coming back soon, all right? Possible NQ short here on the 2-minute. So one.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's extremely loud. Sorry about that. Okay, I am in here. 7.325. I'll go ahead and explain this trade here in a bit. Okay, guys, so here's the reason behind the trade. If you zoom all the way out, because this is crazy price action here we're dealing with. If you zoom all the way out, you see this candle here. This is the high. This is the low. This is actually the session low and high for the day. So 1500 started here. This was the high previously. This broke above, came all the way down. 50% retracement line, as you guys know, is my orange line here. Price tapped into it. On the 2-minute, it gave a decent gap here, 7 points, and closed below here. So we are in the trade. As always, nothing much for me to do after that. So I'll just be patiently waiting, and I'll let you guys know what happens, what goes on after. Either we hit full TP again, or we just stopped out break even. All right, guys, as you can see here, I stopped recording somewhere around here, around 7:02. Price just dropped down straight to my TP. So pretty good reaction here at the 50% level. This is why I mark it on my charts. The reason it was valid, again, I made this one of my key rules on my video previously. The reason I took this was because it came and it dropped all the way down to a new session low, right? I need new session lows or highs to be able to take a 50% retracement. And this was exactly what that was. Price dropped all the way down. First time it taps into the 50% line, and a strong sell-off, and still going here. So that was a solid trade. Following the rules, staying disciplined and patient, and executing. So I'll let you guys know whenever there's another possible setup. The way the market is looking right now, it might be a little iffy, but I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, we're back here. End of day, 1:20 Pacific Standard Time. Not much happened. Like I mentioned earlier, there was this large hourly candle. My levels were all screwed up from the jump in the morning, so there wasn't much else other than this 50% retracement for me to play today, and it is what it is. Making sure I stay disciplined, because in the past, again, I've learned through a lot of trials and tribulations that taking setups in the middle of this range and unplanned setups or that aren't in my strategy, they don't have the best win rate. And then once I take these trades and if they end up losers, then it always affects me mentally, and then I tend to revenge trade or tend to take more trades to make that loss back, right? That's what we're working on here on this channel, to make sure we stay disciplined, we stay patient, and we wait for one of our levels to be triggered. If none of these levels get triggered, then no setups for me, right? That's what I keep preaching here. So none of my levels got triggered, and there was no setups after the first one. So I'll take you guys to my dashboard here on Apex. Like I said, one trade here. You guys saw the one trade. I actually messed up my sizing. I took 2 micro contracts. It should have been 3, but it is what it is. That was an accident. This is my, usually for when it's a larger stop loss, I would take 2, but I accidentally messed that up. I took 2 instead of 3. It is what it is. And you can see my dashboard here. All 10 accounts are up 129. These keep growing. The 5 that we already requested, we just keep slowly growing, and we'll see. And hopefully these other 5, the chasing ones, hopefully we can request a payout in those soon too. Here is my trade copier that I'm doing. Here are my Tradify accounts. All 5 are in the green, or shows 3 in the green, and these 2 are red. For some reason, the software is not calculated correct, but they're all the same. 3 in the green. These are all evals trying to get these to funded, and they're slowly grinding, so we'll see. My funded futures, two funded accounts. both of these in green, and then the other one's also green. We trade a little higher size on the evals just to try to get those higher, or get them to funded quicker. Topstep, I have 2 accounts pretty close to funded here, 2,600. So I need $400 on both of these. So we're pretty close on these, and then of course the 10 funded Apex accounts. So, all right, guys, yeah, just staying disciplined, staying patient. So none of my levels came through in the afternoon. There was not much for me to do here, just one trade as you saw, but one trade slow grinding these accounts is plenty for me. Like you see, I have 12 funded accounts, so one small green day kind of adds up pretty decently. So we're just gonna keep growing these accounts a little over time, and we'll keep it going. So appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.